add an pickaxe to your mining. First off, go to type, node socket, and create pickaxe. Right? It has to be a node object, so this is where you're gonna be spawning your object, right? You can call it whatever you like. So I also made one for a drinking potion, and it's basically, it works the same way. But let's just focus on the pickaxe right now. So call it whatever you like it. The most important thing is you gotta add it exactly like where your weapons are. Like this is where my weapon spawns, right? In here. Here we don't have to add any pickaxe. It's just gonna equip exactly at the spot or in the hand you want it to be. So for me it's on the right shoulder. So you also have to go to your prefab and create an empty object the same way it's created for your weapons, and it has to be attached to your hand. So you either choose left or right, it doesn't matter, it's up to you, but either way, right? The second part is to create the effect. It has to be an game action, right? As you can see, the game action needs the socket. This is the socket that we just had created in our types, right? Node socket, pickaxe. Simple, right? Okay. You have to turn this on. Use node socket and attach to the socket. And this is the duration, right? Explanatory. When you're mining and your mining loop of the animation is the duration, this is the duration of the pickaxe that's gonna be in your hand. You can do the scale, but yeah, this is important, the visual, right? So we go to template, we go to the visual, and in the visual you're gonna create mining pickaxe. In that visual you're gonna have to have the object. For now I just took the one from the demo that Thomas provides. I recommend you also doing that. It's basically just a mesh, but it has to be a prefab, and then later you can replace it with your own, right? So that's the important part. Okay, with that it's not gonna spawn in here if you don't have that game object. Again, pretty simple. We go to settings, type, node socket, create a node socket. We go to the effect, mining pickaxe, whatever, you can give it whatever name you like, right? We are not talking about the name right now, it's about the game action. This is where you call that visual that we just have created, right? Template, visual, mining pickaxe, and this is that visual that you're gonna be equipping when you start to mine some nodes, right? That's pretty much it. The only thing that you have to do is in game, once you go into the game, right? Let me see, am I in a demo? Main menu, yes. So let's go into the game. It's gonna take a little bit, I don't know, something happened to my project where it takes a little bit longer to load. I think it got corrupted or something, but yeah. Basically, yeah, those steps, if you follow those steps If you have problems of understanding what I'm talking about, just pause, go back and see what is exactly happening, because those are the steps that you have to take to get it spawned. But there's another one, and that is adding all those components to the mining node. And this is something, well, the interactable object. This is something that I'm going to be showing right now. And also, if the mining pickaxe is not correct in the hand, you have to do it differently than when you adjust the weapons. Well, actually it's the same, but with the weapons you adjust the weapons. Here you have to adjust the node, not the weapon, because the weapon is never gonna spawn the same. So let me see. Now you're gonna see when we open up spine. Just find quickly the right shoulder, right hand, and pickaxe. Now you're gonna see it. Oh, my grass got screwed up. See here? Now you see the pickaxe equip here. But like I said, we don't want to rotate the pickaxe or scale the pickaxe up. We want this pickaxe node. That's the one that you're gonna be adjusting, right? As you can see, I still can adjust it a little bit better. Maybe even scale it a little bit up. So basically you'll be just like setting the transform the way you like it. Like I said, don't adjust the pickaxe itself. Adjust the main node of the pickaxe that you have created here. Right? This is the one that we are adjusting, giving the transform. Once you have posed it exactly like you like it, then just right click on it and copy component. And now you can just go out of the game, go into your prefab, and then just paste the transform there, right? It's gonna save it. And then don't forget to override your prefab, right? Turn it off and then go back into the game. And this is where the part of your interactable object needs to be added. For all this, what we have set up in the editor to be triggered. So basically, now you go to the action, wait, I mean visual, and this is where you add that visual effect I talked about, that I have created in templates. Visual effects, mining, pickaxe, and this is where the prefab gets called. And you can see here, even here you can play a little bit around with the scale and the position if you want even, but I don't touch this. Like I said, it's better to not play around with the pickaxe itself, because this is the pickaxe. It's better to do it onto the node itself, because this is only going to be used for your pickaxe, so it doesn't matter like the weapon hand. There's going to be a lot of different weapons, so for that's why we don't touch the main node object. We adjust only the weapons, and yeah, that way it's gonna work better. Unless you have more pickaxes, right? Then I should be doing it the other way around, and then like I said, it's no problem doing it that way. And then you have here you have the position that you can correct. But this is important. Again, use node socket must be on. attached to socket must be on, and don't forget to switch here to all of your nodes, that it's gonna be equipped onto your PickAxe node on your character, right? So important. And basically that's all, nothing more. Yeah, I think if you do those steps, yeah, and then just don't forget to add animation here, but that's already added I think for you, because this is about a interactable object. So yeah, for me it's like 4 seconds, and if I had 5 seconds here, it lasts like a little bit longer before he spawns it back. But yeah, that's it. And also your layer must be, but yeah, this is for you already set up if I'm correct. So you was only asking about equipping the mining X. I hope this helps, and sorry about the bad tutorial and about the rambling, but yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. There you go. All right.